Okay, so for the Amstel Light video journal, on the commercial, I would not have produced it or written it in that direction. Uh, the video, like you stated, it really doesn't have any direction. It is kind of all over the place and doesn't tell you much about the product. It kind of gives you a bunch of unneeded facts. And the only thing that it tells you about the product is how many calories are in it. It doesn't sell you on the taste or the flavor, the taste of it, how how filling it is, or how it, most beer ads tell you how they're the best. It didn't even, it didn't do any of that. Uh, and those are some that I would have expected to see in the script, but it wasn't there. It just kind of is it feels uninspired. Like it didn't have it like no direction at all. Uh, I didn't hear any sound effects. The only thing I heard was the background music. I don't know if that's considered. That's not considered a sound effect. That's just the music bed. So I didn't hear any type of sound effects. I mean, it could have had the popping of the top or something, but that was missing. Uh, the inflection that should have been in there probably when they mentioned the calorie counter, whenever they start to talk about the if they did talk about the flavor or anything of the beer, they probably should, could have inflected upwards. But it was just the same monotone voice all the way through for the most part. Nothing really changed in how you read it. It kind of was just a straight read through. The music wasn't bad. It could have worked. The music could work. It was more or less about the script that wasn't there, that wasn't good. It was just yeah, it was really bad. That wasn't a They could have did better. I don't really even feel like that was real, actually, which I hope it wasn't, because they're not selling anything if it was real. But that's about it for this video journal.